Changing your business category on Colossyan is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your business is accurately represented. Step 1. Log in. Access your Colossyan account by entering your username and password. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your business profile. Step 2. Navigate to business settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select business category. In the business settings, find the option for business category or category management. Click on this option to view the list of available categories. Step 4. Choose a new category. Browse through the list of categories and select the one that best fits your business. Ensure that the new category accurately reflects your services or products. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new business category, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure they are applied to your profile. By following these steps, you can successfully change your business category on Colossyan. Regularly updating your profile helps maintain accuracy and relevance in your business representation.